I'm about to make some fried catfish and the best fries ever, the buffalo fries. I came up with this recipe like last week and it's the best fries ever. But yeah, so for the catfish, I'm using this Cajun fish fry. Use a little bit of all-purpose flour for the batter for the catfish. And I just got some catfish fillets over here. I think I got about 5 or 6 of them. Got these thawing out a little bit more. This one piece is fully thawed. These are probably fully thawed by now because it doesn't take long to thaw catfish. Once you put it in the water, it's like it comes alive again. No, just playing. But yeah, got to fry them up. So this is the thawed catfish fillets, and I got this lemon juice. Cause somebody told me, my cousin or something said, you put lemon juice on the fish, it cuts back on the fish smell in your house and stuff that lasts forever when you cook fried fish. So it kind of cuts back on it supposedly. So, and also gives the fish a good flavor, the lemon juice. And I'm gonna flip it and put it on the other side as well. And then I'm gonna put this Crystal's hot sauce, extra hot, but it's not really that hot, on it too. And then I'm gonna put the flour and the fish fry batter on there. So I got salt, pepper, lemon pepper, garlic pepper, and red pepper, along with the hot sauce and the lemon juice on this catfish. And I'm about to put the flour and the catfish fry. Put the flour on first and then the catfish fry, and then put them in the skillet. This is the catfish. It's already been flipped. That's on the back side. This is on the top side. Already been flipped. We're about to flip it one more time. And then take it up out of here, put the rest of the catfish off in here. That's the first 2 pieces of catfish. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Put it under the light so y'all can see a little better. Well, the light ain't helping much, but yeah. Looking good, looking good. I got this piece in the skillet on the back side. Now this piece is looking really good. Flip it one more time for this stuff. I had cooked it on each side for about 2 minutes on each side and flip, 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 flip. So I flipped 4 times. Flip it 4 times. So that's the last 2 pieces of fish. And I'm about to empty this grease out and put just some clean grease so I can do the fries. And change skillet. Empty the grease out, wash the pan out, wipe it, I guess. Put some more grease. Do this fries out of the potatoes. I can cut the potatoes. And I was just flipping it. With a fork. But you can flip it with this too. This is a spoon with holes in it. See, take the holes in it. Now drain that grease off and you're gonna put it over on the plate. So that's the fish. We got some dark-skinned fish and we got some light-skinned fish. Of course, those were the first 2 pieces cooked. I didn't put as much breading on those, so those came out a little lighter. But I want the dark skin because I like my fish fried hard. Yes, yes, yes. So my son can have the light skin, but I'm sure he's gonna eat the dark skin for today. But that's that fish. A Frigidaire gas stove, and I cooked that fish on 4, on this and on 4. So yeah, I don't know what you all would cook your fish on. I cooked mine on 4. Started off cooking on 3, moved it to 4. Peeling these potatoes, and I'm gonna cut them up into fries, y'all. Fresh homemade fries, the best fries ever. I'm trying to tell y'all, best fries ever. Buffalo fries. All right. And I try to cut them thin because the thinner you cut them, the quicker they cook. So I cut the potato in half, and then I'm slicing from there into slices like this size. Perfect size fries, and they cook quickly. So all I did was hold the potato like that, cut it in half, and then just slice thinly. If you have a pretty tall or wide potato, you just once you cut them this way, you just cut them in half again. I had to do that with one of my potatoes, but I don't have to do it anymore because they're all pretty flat, not really round, not like huge potatoes. These are like small russet potatoes, but you get this perfectly thin slice, and they cook so quickly. So this one has happened to be one that is bigger, and I'm cutting it in half, see, because you want them to be thinner. And this one I'm gonna cut in half as well. And there you go, you get some good little thin fries. we had some technical difficulties, y'all. The grease for the fries started popping all over the place. My son had to dive in and cut the stove off. When he cut it off, somehow the outlets reset. I thought the stove wasn't working no more, but it was the outlets that reset. The breaker, he checked every breaker. The breakers was fine. It was just the reset button needed to be pushed on the outlet where the microwave is. Crazy. I don't know. It was a crazy situation. But yeah, I wash the potatoes before I peel them, rinse them off, and then I rinse them after I cut them. Get to see all that starch, get all that starch out. And I got these on 4. So yeah. They were on 3, that's why they kind of slow frying, but I've turned it up to 4 just now, so they should speed up. That's one batch, and that's gonna make 2 batches. 2 batches. And check out these cups. You can sketch your name on them. These little cups, like they was 50% off at Dollar General a couple weeks ago. They might still have some at y'all Dollar General. Just a little blue plastic cups, but you can sketch your name on them like a little chalkboard. Pretty cool. So if you have your cup sitting around, you know it's yours, especially during these pandemic times. And this is the first batch of fries. I'm gonna put the salt and the pepper and the Italian seasoning on them, and a little garlic powder. Not much, because what we putting on them to give it a kick, we don't need all that for real. Just a little salt, tiny bit of salt, tiny bit of pepper, tiny bit of garlic pepper, not garlic powder. But what we putting on after that at the end, we don't need much seasoning, so like I said, tiny bits. All the seasoning I put on them, and I'm gonna shake it around, flop it around, and wait till I get the other batch out. Put the salt, pepper, garlic pepper, and then put the best ingredient of it all that makes these the best fries ever, buffalo fries. But you know you always got to sneak a fry while cooking. Yeah, you got to sneak that fry. And now the best, well, what I call the secret ingredient when I made it last week for my son for the first time. Frank's Red Hot Ranch Dip Seasoning. And I used about not half of it really. And I'm probably going to use I got this much left in there. I'm gonna use about that much for the flavor, and that's how you get your buffalo fries, the best fries ever. If you got blue cheese crumbles or blue cheese, you might want to use that to dip them in, or if you got crumbles, put the crumbles on top of the fries. But if you got blue cheese, just use that to dip them in. I don't have blue cheese, but they're good enough without it. This is the best fries ever, I'm trying to tell you. I put about that much on there, which I said was about half a packet. Really, that packet can make you about 4 things of these fries for real. And you shake it up. Shake it up, shake it up, shake them up, shake them, shake them up, shake them up. Shake it up, baby, now. Shake it up, baby. Twist and shout, twist and shout. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, baby, now. Get your nice buffalo fries. I think I'm gonna put a little bit more. Let me taste them first, see if I need a little bit more, because it looks like I need a little more. Flavor's there, I don't need no more. But that's your nice buffalo fries, y'all. Trying to tell y'all, best fries ever. Just ate the fish, but he already knew the fries was gone. He already knew that. But the fish, catfish, fried fat catfish I made. I usually make fried whiting. Yeah, you just take a piece of that.
Then warm it up a little bit.
Yeah, the fish gotta be warmed up because it took a while to get these fries together because of the issues we had. But I put some hot sauce, mustard, got my good ketchup on my fries. I'm about to throw down. It's my thrifted outfit of the day. And this dress is thrifted. It's from Talbot's. And this purse was from Poshmark. It's a Michael Kors, vintage Michael Kors. And this belt was thrifted from the Goodwill. It's just a cute little artsy belt. This is my thrifted outfit. Hey, it's Sunday. And the shoes are INC, and I thrifted these as well, but they have the Macy's tag still in them. But yeah. These are the shoes, people.